Listen, Sue. If I could get Rudy Valley out of the way, will you invest your money with me?
I sure will.
Wait here. Oh, John, may I see you a moment?
Sure, what is it, Mr. Barrymore?
Some bad news just came in on Piccadilly. Rudy Valley has been wiped out in the stock market. He hasn't a penny left.
You mean Rudy is flat?
You just heard him sing, didn't you? Yes, my dear. He is broke, and so now you can't marry him.
Oh, I don't mind if he's broke. You see, I've saved up $20,000 of my own.
You have? Joe, I never noticed how beautiful you are before.
Mr. Barrymore, you don't look at me like that. Your eyes, they fascinate me.
The old master still has turned on the old jaw. Don't forget these young whippersnappers. We could be very happy together. What's life so long?